In this video, we'll show you how to take motion photos and use Top Shot on your Pixel phone. With Top Shot, you can select a favorite individual shot from a motion photo or video. To open your camera, press your Pixel's power button twice. If you're taking a photo, your phone may recommend a better quality photo from your motion photo or video. You can also pick your favorite shot. To use Top Shot, make sure that Motion Photos is turned on. To turn on Motion Photos, swipe down from the viewfinder and tap the icon for Motion Photos. Swipe back up to return to your viewfinder. To take a photo or video, tap Camera, then frame your shot and tap or touch and hold Capture. To see your photo, tap the image that appears in the bottom right corner. To check what other images Top Shot captured, swipe up on the image. Tap Shots in this photo or Shots in this video. To save a recommended shot, tap the image you like best and choose Save Copy. To take a video, go back to your camera and swipe right on your viewfinder to Video. To shoot video in slow motion, tap Slow Motion and then 1/4 time. For super slow motion, tap 1/8 time. If you want your Pixel phone to use software to keep your handheld camera footage from looking shaky, tap the Video Stabilization button. Your Pixel phone offers options for video stabilization, and each stabilization choice is best for a different type of shot. If you have a Pixel 3a or later, you can create a more smooth motion for a side-to-side moving video by tapping Cinematic Pan. After you've selected your video stabilization settings, tap Record to take your video. Now you know how to shoot videos and use Top Shot on your Pixel phone. To learn more about your Pixel phone, watch our other videos or visit the Help Center.